Good day to you, brothers and sisters. Alive, rolling in the garden, Saigon, it's now. This episode, Oneness, Casting Infinite Love. Because it's turtle time. These are the Stickman Files. The Stickman gives me this information and I attempt to explain it with my, man's tools of language. Maybe I make mistakes, I don't know. It is what it is, as they say. They call me Rodney Josephson, and that's my YouTube, 3041. If it makes any difference. But before we get into the video, I like to vegetate in the garden. Balance, get grounded, just hang with the plants. Yeah, patience. Patience is a virtue, as they say. That's what the Stickman told me. I'm starting to believe what he's saying. Yeah, good old Saigon. So how are you guys doing today? I hope you're doing good. I do. There's only one nest, so of course I want everything to be in balance, including you, everything. So let's get into this now. So I got the center here is the, I guess you call it a yin-yang, a balance. So I got love in the middle, a heart. Now, the heart doesn't actually look like that. If you took it out, I think it's weird. Anyway, it's a symbol. I think you get the idea. So I got two on each side. There's the yin and the yang, the masculine and feminine. But in this case, they're identical twins because they came from one egg. This is what the Stickman's telling me. I don't know if I believe it or not. I don't know. I guess it is true, I think. So, I was an identical twin. Well, I still am, because everything is oneness, It's not like I lost anything. How could you? Because it's all oneness. I think that's what the Stickman's trying to tell me. So, we got the emanation of oneness and unity. That's it. Very simple, I think. So you get unity, unconditional love, unified in love, unconditional love, and universal. The three U's. You, me, you, me. I, the Father, is one. You, me, I, the Father, all that kind of thing. The Father, Son, and the Holy Ghost. I am, you are, and He is. You are, I am, He is. I guess three U's. We is what we is, I think. As oneness. I'm having fun with this one. Thank you, Stickman. Thank you for these revelations. So as I start always explain that the monad, that's the all and the nothing, and this is breathing. It's creation, dissolution. Everything in this world is created and dissolutes, doesn't it? Over time, it all goes away. The buildings and all the things that people make, that withers away after a while, I think. Over time. but the spirit lives on. All is one and one is all. Seek within, for the world is without. As above, so below. Again, the Stickman has given me this information, so I'm delivering it to you. So, yeah, we got the 3 U's covered there. Now, we go to here. Inner balance. Harmony. Peace. Resonance. Oh yeah, I can feel the toroidal feel. It's like a big donut. Just all over the place. Well, how many yards or meters that goes out? Casting infinite love. Love, 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 love. The ultimate power in the universe is love. Must be. The building blocks of creation. The foundation of existence. Yeah, let me think about that. I mean, that's what the Stickman told me. I think he's right. So let's go to the other side. What did Jesus say? Love thy neighbor. There's only oneness, so love thy neighbor. Of course, the center must be love, or the beginning must be love, and thy neighbor is everything around it, isn't it? Revenge your neighbor, dig 2 graves. That's what Confucius said, which means the same thing as this, but in a more negative way. Now, in man's world, you see, they understand that one, and there's another guy that's selling, buy 2, get 1 free, trying to make an extra $1 off of it. That's what the Stickman pointed out to me. Whether it's true or not, you never know. Murder of the heart. Now, what does that mean? In the Bible, it's thou shalt not kill or murder. Murder of the heart. Well, because no one dies. I mean, spirit in this world, spiritual context or frame, the frame of this, eternal being. No one dies. Now, what it means is that you are killing love. That's what it means. Or you don't accept love as a creation. So you're hurting yourself and your brothers and sisters. I think that's what it means. That's what the Stickman was trying to explain to me. Which makes sense. Because if you're eternal, no one dies. But you're not centered in the so-called idea of infinite, unconditional love. And you're going around, murdering the hearts. Well, you're murdering your heart and other people's hearts, I guess. Now, in man's world, they go out and physically do it, which is also the same thing as murdering love, isn't it? It makes sense. So, yeah, I think the message from the Stickman to me is just to cast infinite love. You get your donut field, toroidal field, your sense of being, your balance, your resonance, resonating in love. As Michael Jackson said, I'm a lover, not a fighter. I think he said that. I heard him say it. Among others. Yeah, I keep the good old pyramid down there. So we want to get out of the abyss of Egypt, you know, out of the flesh idea. Oh, this is flesh. And one day we do exit the flesh, don't we? To continue on the journey. So I think I've covered this topic. Yeah, just hang out with the plants. You know, love the plants, love thy neighbor. And of course, it has to come from within, because the world's without, right? And just be. Walk around, you know, do as you want with that inner knowing or being. It's pretty simple, I think. I mean, that's what the Stickman said. It is very simple. And, you know, there's no mathematical calculation or formula or anything like that that can define what unconditional love is there? And there's no way to describe the all and the nothing, is there? That's, you know, that's beyond man's ability to describe or put it into what. I mean, that's kind of a representation, but it's just a line, you know, a continuous line on a whiteboard. Unconditional love, it's energy, infinite. So if you want you know, paradise, it's right here. If you want to say that, it's the heart. Heart, stomach, brain, or mind. And that's all the energy. And you go around, be a donut, whatever, you know. Even though you can't really see it in man's world, but yeah, there's the donut man. You know, Stickman has now formed a donut shape, not rolls, but you know, kind of a smoothly radiant, I guess, body around Stickman. So I'm going to leave it there, brothers and sisters. I thank the Stickman for this information, so that I can give it, I can deliver it to you, and yeah, I'm going to end it there, because I want to go continue my being elsewhere. So, see you next time, brothers. Alive, dwelling in the garden, Saigon, it's now. Ciao. Yeah, check out my other videos if you want, or music, or books. Up to you. No pressure.